Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Whirlpool Trail, a captivating and scenic path located in the heart of Niagara Falls, Ontario. As you embark on this journey, you'll find yourself immersed in the breathtaking beauty of the Niagara River and the lush landscapes that define this remarkable area. The trail is named after the famous Niagara Whirlpool, a mesmerizing natural phenomenon located just a short distance away. As you walk along the trail, you'll have the chance to catch glimpses of the whirlpool, where the powerful currents of the Niagara River create a swirling vortex. This natural spectacle is a result of the river's sharp turn, and it's a sight that never fails to amaze visitors. The trail provides several vantage points where you can stop and admire the whirlpool's swirling waters, offering both a thrilling and serene experience. The Whirlpool Trail is part of the larger Niagara Glen Nature Reserve, a protected area that showcases the unique geological features of the region. The trail winds its way through a pristine Carolinian forest, which is home to a diverse array of plant and animal species. As you walk, you'll be surrounded by towering trees, vibrant wildflowers, and the soothing sounds of nature. This lush environment is a haven for wildlife, and you may encounter birds, squirrels, and other small creatures along the way. The trail itself is well maintained and offers a moderate level of difficulty, making it suitable for hikers of various skill levels. As you follow the path, you'll descend into the Niagara Glen, a dramatic gorge carved by the river over thousands of years. The trail takes you down into the gorge and along the river's edge, providing stunning views of the river's powerful flow and the surrounding cliffs. It's a truly immersive experience that allows you to connect with the natural beauty of the area. Whether you're an avid hiker, a nature enthusiast, or simply looking for a peaceful escape, the Whirlpool Trail offers something for everyone.
Thanks for watching!